Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. Helen, tell me what's happened to your right hip.
I'm not sure what I did, but Thursday or Friday I started experiencing a lot of pain in this area back here, ache and occasional sharp pain shooting through it. Seems to be worse when I'm sitting,
Okay.
But I do experience it at other times as well, lying down and walking.
Putting pressure on it. So how much pain at worst from 0 to 10 do you feel there?
Up to 10. It's pain that at times really just takes my breath away. It's been just exhausting me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So currently how much pain do you feel while sitting?
Right now about an 8.
An 8?
Yeah.
Okay. And is that pain going down to your legs or
No,
just it's
pretty much
localized
right
in the
this
glute area? Okay. Have you had any treatment? Okay. It
No.
was like last Thursday, so it's
No, I've had
4,
nothing.
5
I was away
days.
for the weekend. Like I said, I was up in San Francisco walking hills.
Yeah.
It didn't help me, but yeah, I have had nothing outside of just trying to do some stretches that I know. Yeah.
Okay. Let's lie on your back. I'll do a couple of assessments and then we'll start our treatment. Okay. Let's see. I want to see your range of motion. Stand up and get in the middle here. Your toes. Slide your arm down. How's that? How much pain from 0 to 10?
It feels better when I stretch.
Okay. Any twist back? That's okay. Okay.
I feel a little bit right here.
To the left and right. Your back is tight. Your back is tight. So side bend left and right. So which one is worse? Side bend to the right.
It feels better, like I'm loosening it up almost.
And when you go forward, that's relieve it or aggravate
yeah.
it? Going backward is aggravating. Is that pain sharp or localized in the back? Localized and in the right pelvis area. Okay. Lie on your side, facing this way. So your pain is right here?
It's, like in here.
Is that painful?
No, it actually feels good when
You feel that scar tissue here?
Yeah.
So everything should not aggravate.
Thank you.
We're gonna do one more.
Do you feel pain with any of this?
No.
Okay. You can work on it and tell me if you feel any pain with that.
Okay.
You feel the tightness in your fascia here? Yeah, that's tight.
Definitely feels better.
0 to 10, how much is now?
I don't even know that I feel anything right now.
You don't feel it?
Yeah.
It was 8 when we started.
Yeah, maybe like a bit, but
Okay,
yeah.
let's drink some more and tell me if you still feel it or not.
Just, I don't know.
How much to 10?
Like 2, like I said.
Okay, let me do a couple of things. We get it down to 0. Okay. I like 0.
I'm with you.
You will take that?
Yeah, one time I like to have nothing.
I want to be in pain. Is that too much? Is it too much? I did not know that front, actually. I didn't know that here. But let me just loosen up everything here.
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's drink a little bit more water. And I want you to tell me how this feels from 0 to 10.
It's still about the same. I just feel a little something here.
How much more?
Like 2-ish.
2-ish?
Yeah.
In that spot.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me do one more thing. Right in here. This is the spot. Painful?
No, not at all.
Let me know when you start to release here. How does this feel?
It feels good. Maybe go a bit more to the left.
This
left.
one?
No.
Okay.
And down a little.
Yeah. How does
Feels good.
I'm doing deep fascia release and I have different instruments to do superficial fascia release and deep fascia release. So I will save my hands and it's actually, usually it's comfortable for a patient as long as they give us feedback. It's not aggravating symptoms. Our goal is not to aggravate the symptoms, just to do a gentle maneuver to relieve the symptoms. You still feel it or it's gone?
No, it feels better now.
So can you tell us what you think about the ASTR
It was
treatment?
wonderful. In a few minutes, I
Yeah.
went from 8 to nothing. Best.
Awesome.
Thank you so
Good.
much.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.